And for the next award, Ghanta, the next Ghanta award, I have been told specifically to not call it an award, call it a Ghanta. Otherwise, we won't be paid as if we are being. Next category is supporting actor, worst supporting actor. Now, supporting actor in a Hindi film is like a coalition partner in a government, like Karunanidhi. Generally incompetent. He just has to goof around, and in the end he can just shrug and say, "Abbe मैं क्या करूँ? हीरो ही चूतिया था यार." And the first guy in the list, in our list of nominees, is obviously Zayed Khan. Now, this guy has to be praised for at least one thing, which is his consistency. Because if there is ever a lifetime achievement award for worst supporting actor, it will be Zayed Khan's, hands down. Okay, and imagine Zayed and Fardeen Khan are in the same family. It's like, I think, too much of lack of talent in one family, no? And he is nominated for Blue, which was the most expensive film last year. It was made for 100 crores and a bit more. That bit more was Zayed Khan. And his second nomination is for Anjana Anjani. Now, if you remember, I don't know if you have seen Anjana Anjani or the original film from which it was ripped off, which was, okay, I forgot, but yeah, it was ripped off. So it's, in that film, Priyanka and Ranbir, they are trying to commit suicide in the beginning, which is very much understandable because the choice was between, going forward in the film and meeting Zayed Khan at some point of time, or dying right in the beginning. Okay, and the next nominee is my personal favorite, Gandhi, Sir Ben Kingsley. Okay, now, why the fuck did Ben Kingsley do a film like Teen Patti? It's like, तो 80s की फिल्मों में, B grade फिल्मों में 80s की होता था वो एक मजबूर परिवार, मजबूर हीरोइन होती थी जिसकी माँ बीमार है, बाप अपाहिज है, भाई जेल में है और भाई को जमानत दिलवाने के लिए उसको 4,000 रुपए चाहिए और उसके लिए उसको ठाकुर के साथ एक रात बितानी पड़ती है. Teen Patti was that night in Ben Kingsley's life. Now, I hope उनके घर में अब सब ठीक होगा. भाई जेल से वापस आ गया होगा, माँ का ऑपरेशन हो गया होगा, and he doesn't have to do such stuff again, and otherwise, क्योंकि होता क्या था वो फिल्मों में अगर हीरोइन 2-3 बार चली जाती थी तो वो परमानेंट रखैल हो जाती थी. तो and the next nominee, yeah, Farhan Akhtar, a guy I have worked with. Okay, that was okay. ठीक है, भूल जाओ उसको. Farhan Akhtar is nominated for Karthik Calling Karthik. Now that was a film where he played a guy who was scared of taking the phone call because it was a phone call from himself. That's how bad his voice is. And Farhan Akhtar is the should have stuck to guy of Bollywood. Should have stuck to. When he made Lakshya, we thought he should have stuck to, Dil Chahta Hai kind of films. Then he moved on to, making Dawn. Then we thought, okay man, you should have stuck to at least making Lakshya kind of films. Then he started singing with that voice. Then we thought, okay man, you should have stuck to making Dawn kind of films. Then he became a fucking TV host. Okay. Then we thought, okay man, you should have stuck to singing only. And now he's doing double roles. I don't know what going on, he is making Don 2. So I think he should have stuck to double roles. Next nominee on the list, Samir Dattani. The spelling is wrong there. His name is spelled as Sammir. Of course, nobody knows who Samir Dattani is, so respecting that fact, I'm not going to crack any jokes on Samir Dattani. But this is a very curious fact that, his name is spelled as Sammir. Now, I find these people great who change a letter or two in their names and suddenly they feel that everything is right in their world, even though they are Samir Dattani. What would happen if a truck, runs over Samir Dattani and he'll fucking stand up and he'll say, what man, kya laga tujhe, mar jaunga main. I'm not Samir Dattani, I'm Sammir Dattani. And I really want to see a film starring, is it gone? Okay, I really want to see a film starring Sammir Dattani and Vivek Oberoi and Sunil Shetty and Rimi Sen. I don't think that film will ever be a flop. It may be a flop with, 5 P's and a silent K in the beginning or something. And the last nominee on the list, no, there is one more nominee, which is Upen Patel, who was nominated just to represent the porn industry of India. And the winner is, any guesses? No, it's the Bap of all, Zayed Khan. So the Ghanta goes to the spirit of Zayed Khan, and he could not come because he could not find a main lead to accompany him. And moving on, there's the second trailer in our list of the trailers we are showing for the worst film nominees. The second trailer in the list is for Pyar Impossible.
The guy who screwed you over with Neil and Nikki is back, and he has some unfinished business. With an impossibly big budget, impossibly dumb co-star, and an impossibly idiotic story, Uday Chopra will make this film impossible to watch.
Pyar impossible, hey yaar. Pyar impossible, hey yaar. Pyar impossible, it's possible.
I don't like it when people say that I get movies because Yash Papa is my... Wait! Again! It's overproduction. I have to get retake. I don't like it when people say that I get movies because I am Yash Papa's son. It's not true. It's a lie. I get movies because Yash Papa is my papa. Being a super intelligent geek, he falls in love with a girl who is doing this film only for money. This love story will make an old pair of goats look romantic in comparison. Okay, you get the point, right? So watch Pyar Impossible or wait for Uday's 12/3 launch. It's possible, hai na?